fluff. Skinny little thing. Very, very fluffy and very thin. Don't know the story because mostly this area is for pregnant cats. They have their kittens and then we neuter them and then we find homes for the whole family. But it's every now and then there's another cat in here, maybe because we're running out of room because we're very busy at the moment. We're just about full really. Summer's always very busy in cat shelters. So I'm going to shut this so I can go next door and see this little tabby who's been chatting. Very keen on company, obviously. But who is this? Looks like a little storybook cat. Look at that, really, really friendly. So, if you look up the website, the Pussycat Lodge website, and you go to the rehoming page, there's listings at the moment. There's 2 pages. I've got so many cats, but every cat has a listing with a photo, so you'll be able to match up. And this is such a distinctive cat. We'll be able to work out who this is. Just so lovely. Very thin though. Wonder what the story is there. Okay, so I'm going to shut the door now. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. I know. Let me shut the door. Mind your paws. Mind your paws.